Hello, savvy savers! Today we are going to tackle how to create budget tracking items in Penny Planner. Whether it's your daily expenses, monthly incomes, or investment returns, tracking every transaction allows us to stay on top of our financial game. So let's get started with budget tracking items. In Penny Planner, you can monitor your finances by adding specific transactions to your budget. These are what we call budget tracking items. They're essential for accurate financial management. So before we get started, I would like to update you about the fact that behind the curtains, I added quite a few categories for our budget planning dashboard. And that is because that way we would have much clearer image about the process of creating budget planning items. So this is nothing spectacular, I just created a few more categories exactly the same way I did in our explainer video dedicated to custom categories. And now that we got that out of the way, let's navigate to Tracking tab on your dashboard. Here, you'll typically see all of your recorded transactions, and since we have a fresh account, it's completely empty. But we're about to change that. So now we're going to click Add New Entry button and start adding a new transaction. This could be any money spent, received, or invested that we basically want to track. In order to create a new successful budget tracking item, we need to provide our application with the following information. We need to specify whether it's going to be expense, income, or investment. After that is done, we will see that our category select field is getting populated with our categories as we select different types. When we click on this category dropdown, we can see the list of categories that is created for this specific item type. If we selected expense, we'll see only expense categories. Same way, if we select income, we'll see just income categories. So when we choose a category for our budget tracking item, it is going to be assigned to that category. After we have selected a category to which our item belongs to, it is time to specify the description. So, description for each budget tracking item is basically responsible to let us know what this entry is all about. And here we can put in something like weekly grocery shopping or March paycheck or whatever we like. Next in line is going to be value. This is where we are going to enter how much money was spent or received. So if it is an income, then we have received the specified amount of money, or if it is expense, then it means we spent the specified value. Then finally we have date. And this date basically represents the date when this transaction took place. We can just double check to make sure that all of those fields are populated correctly, and after that we can just hit Create button. It is very important to make sure the data you have entered is correct, so why not spend a second to make sure that everything looks like exactly as you want it to. And there you go! The item is now added to our tracking list. You can see it right here in the Tracking tab. It's a powerful way to stay aligned with our financial goals. And there is one thing I would like to say, and that is start tracking today and be always in complete control over your finances. If you have any questions or concerns, please do feel free to leave a comment in the section below this video, or if you need more tips and how to use guides on our Penny Planner application, feel free to browse the rest of the videos we have prepared for you. Thank you for watching and happy tracking! See you in the next video.